So we found this kind of fun bike, KTM 495. Near as I can tell, it's a 1984. Found it behind a guy's barn here down in Utah. Well, I was stuck here for the weekend, and our goal is to stuff that bike into that trunk using only those tools. Got a crescent wrench, socket set, and some Allen wrenches. Why not? Alright, I think we're ready for our first attempt at stuffing it in the trunk. We got the whole back end taken off, handlebars, most of the body work. Hoping I can get by with leaving the forks on. They can just hang out the back. Believe it or not, this is not the first bike that's been stuffed in this trunk. I've hauled several little Honda XL, XR, 80s and 100s home in the back. Don't even have to take them apart. Maybe the gas tank off and stuff so that it doesn't leak, but they really don't fit too bad. Did have to borrow one more tool from a neighbor, and I had to bust out the ever trusty Leatherman. But I'm gonna go return this crescent wrench and see what we can do about stuffing that thing in the trunk. Hey Thermite, you been helping me? Are you such a good boy? Yeah, you're such a good boy. Well, there's all of our parts lined out. The front number plate was super brittle, so I took it off. There's my tools, and that's the pile of bolts. That's it. Pretty simple, straightforward bikes. Now to see if it will fit in here. As they say, is that. I think that'll be good for the 3-hour drive home. Got plenty of trunk space for all the rest of the parts if I wiggle things in there. So we'll get that done and call her good. All right, she's in there. I'm gonna strap it in, strap the trunk lid down, clean up my mess, and then we get to undo it all when we get home. See you all in a while.